Abacus AI is an all-in-one artificial intelligence platform that promises to help businesses and individuals build, deploy, and manage machine learning models without needing deep coding skills. But does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's break it down quickly. What is Abacus AI? Abacus AI is a cloud based AI platform that focuses on automating machine learning workflows. Instead of manually building models from scratch, it uses AutoML and pre built systems to speed up the process. It's mainly designed for data scientists, developers, businesses that want predictive AI tools. Key features: first, AutoML, automated machine learning. This lets you upload data and automatically build models without writing complex code. Second, LLM Studio. Abacus AI also supports large language models similar to ChatGPT style applications, which can be customized for business use cases. Third, MLOps automation. It handles deployment, monitoring, and scaling of models automatically, which saves a lot of engineering time. Fourth, pre-built AI solutions. You get ready to use tools for things like forecasting, classification, and recommendation systems. Pros: very beginner friendly for an AI ML platform, saves time with automation and pre built workflows, supports both traditional ML and modern LLM applications, strong for enterprise level use cases, reduces need for large data science teams. And when talking about the cons, as we all know, nothing is perfect. It can be expensive for small users or solo developers, not fully beginner friendly if you have zero AI knowledge, limited customization compared to fully manual ML development, mostly targeted at businesses, not casual users. Pricing: Abacus AI doesn't offer a strong free plan for long term use. Pricing is generally subscription based and scales depending on usage and enterprise needs. This makes it more suitable for companies rather than hobbyists. Final verdict: so is Abacus AI worth it? Yes, but only for the right users. If you are a business or developer looking to speed up machine learning and AI deployment, Abacus AI can save a huge amount of time and effort. But if you are a beginner just exploring AI or looking for a free tool, this platform may feel too advanced and costly. And that is a quick look at Abacus AI. If you want more AI tool reviews like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and goodbye.